Our forests are burning. Did you know in 2008, 100,000 hectares were burnt through bushfires? If we compare this to last year in 2018, 800,000 hectares of our Australian forests were burnt. How is this possible? Natural disasters like this are just increasing. Arctic sea ice. Between September of 1981 and 2010, the average decrease of ice in the Arctic was 12.8% per decade, and was only getting worse. The newest update to this icy issue is in January 2019, where the sixth smallest size the ice volume was recorded. How is this possible? The answer is global warming. To explain global warming, it is where an increase of carbon dioxide and other toxins sit in our atmosphere that sit just below our ozone layer. This means it is an increased temperature, rising the evaporation rates, which makes a vicious water cycle. The result of this, extreme weather conditions. Another side effect it has, it retains the heat from the Earth's surface. What this does, I have said earlier, makes an increase of natural disasters. Example, bushfires, floods. This is killing millions of people worldwide. What is the ozone layer? It is a gas that sits just above the stratosphere. It includes a gas made up of ozone, which absorbs most of the ultraviolet radiation that comes from the sun. As you can see in the diagram, it describes that we have a ground level ozone due to cars and other vehicles and gases from factories. In this picture, it shows us the difference between natural gas levels of ozone and what gas we currently have in the ozone layer. You can see in this picture with the greenhouse gases from vehicles and factories, the light and heat have a harder time escaping back into space. Compare this to the other side, the natural level of greenhouse gases. It is much easier for the light and heat to escape back into space. Due to a higher increase of greenhouse gases, natural disasters and other natural phenomena happen. Our wildlife and animals are dying because of droughts. Our farmers are having a hard time. There's not enough water. All these terrible things are happening due to the human race and our industrial world. Things need to change. We need to change. The best way to change it is together. Our world is changing, so what shall we do? Do we change how we look at the world from the same point of view as when we're a child to when we're adults, or does it stay the same? So then, why do we not change what we do to our planet? So how do you fix this, you may ask? The answer is easy, but the way to do it isn't. I have a list I would like to share with you. It's a step-by-step one plan that should do it, but it involves every single person to do their part. Step 1. Pick up rubbish. Recycle. Step 2. Use alternative energy. Example, solar. Step 3. Get energy efficient appliances. 5 4-star energy efficient appliances. 4. Easy, simple, turn off the lights. Number 5. Use a clothesline to dry clothes. By doing all these small things, we can save our world. Thank you.